Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Path of Transformation. Patakin. It was a time when there was great famine on earth, and Nífọ had part of his land planted with isu, yam. As Òrúnmìlà was passing through, he took some yams and put them inside his apau bag. But Nífọ saw him and accused him of being a thief. When justice arrived, Èṣù Elégbà also came, having heard about the problem. He said to Òrúnmìlà, "Show the court what is inside your apau." When the court looked, all they saw were ekute, rats, and Nífọ exclaimed, "But I saw him put the isu into his bag. How can they be rats now?" It was that Elégbà, with his divine power, had transformed the yams into rats. Elégbà then said, since Nífọ falsely accused Òrúnmìlà of theft, he must compensate him for the defamation. They continued the dispute until Nífọ was completely ruined.